Right, so you fab guys loved the last video where we put the big boy chuck onto the Vevor welding positioner, but you're way more interested in what was going on down here with this speed controller and how to wire this thing up. So I've actually put a link down in the comments for this one. It's not the best quality, the screen's a little bit off center, but it was 17 bucks and I love a good deal. So link down below, it's an affiliate link.
Look after you, give me a good price.
So get me rich from that, but I'll show you how to wire this bad boy up so you can get a bit more repeatability with your welds and your speeds and all that sort of stuff. Next thing we're gonna do is pull the 2 wires with collars out of the 1 and 2 position here and then replace it with 2 fresh wires with enough to come out the back. So now I've got the 2 wires I've pulled from the board and also the 2 wires I've added to the board, and they're going to come through the back, and I'm going to put them through this hole here, which I've just drilled through this back case. I've also whacked a grommet on there just so it looks like a bought one. Guys, it's all downhill from here, so this is really easy. We just get the power cables that we've added to the board at the front, the new wires that we've added in. They go to the positive and negative of the terminal. Maybe just check it if you need to know which ones are which. And then you've got the motor here, which are the ones that we've pulled off, and these go directly to this switch here. So pop them on. If it is turning the wrong way that the switch is saying, because it does actually have a rotation on it, you can just switch these wires around, positive to negative, and reverse the polarity, and then it'll spin the other way. That's how this works. Once they're all hooked up, this should work. Now we're all wired up, all we got to do is add some power and see if it works. We got power, we got spins. Does it go the other way? Perfect. If it doesn't go the other way and it just goes dark, you've wired it up wrong, go back and redo it. But this works both ways. Speed controller works, everything works, that's perfect. If you like this kind of stuff, I do plan on doing more videos like this, so make sure you smash that like button and give us a follow as well. I'm still a growing page, get on it.